Go ahead and take a look at this short pressure washer gun from Yamatic. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it on screen while sharing with you my thoughts. Firstly, I've had a couple of weeks to use this pressure gun, and I have to say that overall it does make washing car a lot easier. That is if your car is a medium to small size. If you have a larger vehicle like a truck, you'll probably be best with a standard size gun for the reach. I have a 2000 Honda Accord Coupe, and the Yamatic pressure gun is the perfect size for it. Now my pressure washer does come with a standard long wand, and it makes it hard to wash the wheels. I would have to really get down in order to point the gun upwards towards the upper barrel of the wheel, so having a short gun like this makes it a lot easier. The spray from this gun is also very good. The water comes out evenly and the pressure feels more powerful than my standard gun. The one thing that does bug me is that when I pair the Yamatic with the Chemical Guy's foam cannon, the foam doesn't come out nice and foamy. Instead, it comes out a bit watery. I would switch the foam cannon back to the standard gun and it would have no issue, so I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the Yamatic that doesn't like to work with the Chemical Guys. However, don't let that prevent you from purchasing though. It's still a pretty awesome gun. It has a nice weight to it and it feels excellent in the hand. I can use it for a long duration without fatigue. The only thing I wish Yamatic would include is a lock to allow the trigger to be held down. There is a lock to prevent you from pulling down the trigger, but no lock to hold down the trigger. Overall, I think it is a pretty good short gun. I do use it every time I wash my car, so I do recommend it for those of you